SENSO LVL is the earliest certified LVL in China that meets the JASANZ standard. It is also the most stable qualified construction LVL at present. SENSO LVL has the most complete size certification, and each piece of SENSO LVL comes from 33 quality inspection processes, allowing you to use it with confidence. SENSO Structural LVL, also called Laminated Veneer Lumber Engineered Wood. SENSO Structural LVL is high-performance, more sustainable alternative to lumber. SENSO's LVL laminated veneer lumber beams, headers and columns are used in structural applications to carry heavy loads with minimum weight. Murphy Structural LVL products are manufactured in a controlled environment, resulting in straighter, stronger and more uniform product compared to milled lumber, creating a more stable and reliable product than dimensional lumber because it doesn't twist and warp or shrink over time. SENSO Structural LVL supplied by ROCPLEX, or contact us to discuss further your needs.